follow nation. I'm just in front of their pavilion. I'm talking about Denmark. Denmark, to me, is one of the most interesting countries because it is always outstand the standards and is always offering something new and interesting in fashion, design, architecture, and in this case, art. So I suggest you take a look on the different works they presented in different occasions. They have notable designers in fashions, but also incredible artists. So I'm here to introduce the work presented in Biennale, Rise of the Sunken Sun, an evocative exhibition by the artist Uffe Isolotto and curated by Jacob Fabricius. The installation explores the profound tensions of existence through a fusion of mythology, and we like that because mythology we love, technology, and we love that as well, and contemporary rural life, of course, from Denmark. And from that, they brought to life a dystopian future marked by transformation, adaptation, and survival. At first glance, the viewer is greeted by a powerful dichotomy of life and death. Everything is encapsulated in higher and hyper and high realistic sculptures of a centaur family. Wow! But let's give the words to the images that I selected for you from the press kit, and this is just few of them. So these figures, a mother and a father, are immersed in what appears to be the climax of their tragic demise. Yet this bleakness is juxtaposed with the imaginary of a hope through their child. Isolotto's use of digital, biological, and mechanical elements creates a haunting yet captivating space. The centaur mother, tethered to a mechanical device, echoes a world where even mythological creatures must navigate advanced technology for survival. So what does it mean? Be aware of that. That in the future, we are gonna be pushed into a dual mode. I mean, so we have to look back at our past, but in the meantime, we have to be very skilled in technology and media communication. Otherwise, it's really difficult to communicate this kind of creativeness. So Biennale is useful also to present this kind of works that sometimes appears to be less understandable, but for me and for the art creators is absolutely defined as the future in arts. And so getting back to the images. Okay, so through Rise of the Sunken Sun, Isolotto speaks to the complexity of the Anthropocene, addressing themes of climate change, rural exodus, so it's the flooding from the rural sides of the countries and the survival of species in a rapidly transforming planet. His masterful handling of these subjects combined with the surreal, almost apocalyptic aesthetic offers an emotionally charged experience that lingers long after viewing. So this is an installation also that keep you immersed in the otherworldly landscape where Isolotto Centauris take center stage. And I think also the video installation is absolutely outstanding, and they send me also a list of tracks, music tracks, with which underline the iconic features of this installation. Fabricius' curatorial vision complements the artist's message. The layout and placement of the sculpture within the pavilion heighten the emotional impact, compelling viewers to grapple with the unsettling themes that feel eerily close to reality. So it seems like a kind of sci-fi set as well, and everything is melted and blended with different disciplines, and they offer always a vision that is in some way very cold, very dramatic, very realistic, but I find in these works beauty. Yeah, definitely. So keep on staying tuned. Simona Cochi, The Italian Way. Ciao.